show you how to remove any Python module you've installed or it's pre-installed maybe. I'm gonna show you how to remove it. In the previous videos, I've showed you how to install any module you want using pip, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove them. First, I have this simple script that uses the request module. We've installed a request module using pip, so pip install requests. Now I'm going to run the script. As you can see from my terminal, I'm going to write Python. The script is called script.py, and it's just sending a request to an open source API, as you can see. Now what I want to do is I want to remove this module called request. I will do pip and install requests, and then I click enter and I wait. It will ask me, I will write Y to proceed, and it successfully has been installed. Now let's try Python scripts. As you can see, it says no module named requests, and that's how you can install any module. In some cases you might face problems with modules. Some modules might cause issues. Maybe you want to install a specific version. That's why you need this trick, how to remove the module in case it causes any issues. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.